Animation is classified PG and is closed captioned. Parental guidance is recommended for persons under 15 years. You're watching Fox Days. Previously on Future Up.